Hello friends, welcome to Technical JD channel. I am Jitendra Surve and in this video I am going to explain you how to change default comma character that is used in CSV files, that is comma separated values file. This comma separated values file is used to export data from Excel and import it in other database systems like Mysql or Oracle, etc. So let's check out. As you can see, we have this contacts table in Microsoft Excel. We want to export this table to a CSV data file. This can be easily done by going to this File tab, then click on this Save As menu, then select this Computer option and this Current Folder option. A dialog box will open asking us to select file type as well as name of file. Default file type is Excel workbook, that is .xlsx file. Let's first change the type of file. In this Save As Type drop-down, choose this CSV, delimited, that is .csv file. File extension here will get changed to .csv. Let's keep the same file name for CSV file and press Save. A CSV file will be created and a dialog box will open asking us if we want to keep using that format. As we don't want to keep editing the created .csv file, just press No here and also press Cancel in this Save As dialog box as we already have created the file. Now let's go to the File Explorer. Here you can see CSV file is created. Open it in your favorite text editor. As you can see in this file, all the column names and data is separated by comma, which is a default separator. But many times our data itself can contain comma and that can cause mismatch in number of columns while importing this file into other database systems. In such cases, we may want to change this default CSV file separator. This can only be done in Windows settings on your PC. To change default CSV file separator, let's go to the control panel by typing control panel in this Windows taskbar. Press enter and Windows control panel will open. Now go to this clock and region settings option. In this clock and region settings panel, select region option. A regional settings dialog box will open where you can change all the region related settings. Click on this additional settings button and customize format dialog box will open. In this numbers panel, here on the 8th row, we have this list separator setting. As you can see, currently we have default comma as CSV file separator. Change it to any character that you want to use as CSV file separator. Here I will type vertical bar as CSV file separator. Let's press apply and then press OK. Again press OK in this dialog box too. That's it. We have changed default CSV file separator and it will work across all applications on your Windows. Now let's go back to our table in Excel. Let's go to File, Save As, Computer, Current Folder. Let's again choose file type as CSV, delimited and save file. Press OK here to replace older comma separated file. New CSV file will be created and a dialog box will open asking us if we want to keep using that format. Again dismiss this dialog box by pressing No and also cancel this dialog box as we already have created the file. Let's again open this file by going to File Explorer and opening it with our favorite text editor. Now you can see the data separator character is changed to vertical bar. You can use this file to import data in other database programs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please hit like button and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get timely notifications of new videos in future.